What's up everyone, my name is G. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get on with the video. This is things I bought in July that I don't hate. First up, we have something from Dolls Kill. It's this Dolls Kill makeup bag. It's in like PVC style stuff. It's got a gold, I'm gonna try that again. It's got a silver zip and yeah, it's just really cool. I thought it would be great to put some makeup in when I'm out and about and on the go, and people will know that I am a bit of a I don't know. I paid this much for it and I got it on Depop, but I'll try and find it somewhere. I'll try and find a link or something to where you can get it, and if you can't get it then I'm sorry. It's just really hot. The next thing I got is a purchase from Vinted. I haven't tried this on, so we'll have a look in the triangle if it works. But I got it from Bershka. So it's from Bershka initially. It's this leopard, no, not leopard. What's the other animal? Zebra. Come on, brain, think of things. Come on, brain, think of things. Zebra print. It's coming up like black and white on camera, but it's like cream and brown, which I thought would be really cute with a pair of jeans, some black jeans. My eye won't stop leaking. That's so annoying. Anyway, I just can't concentrate. I'm so warm, I can't concentrate. This is how much I paid for it, and I got it in an XL, and it looks like this. Oh, the next thing that I got. If you're a fan of Stranger Things, you will appreciate this t-shirt. That's all I'm saying. I got my own Hellfire Club t-shirt. Yay! I'll be honest, my dad's gonna hate this t-shirt, like really hate it, and I'm not really sure if I'm ever gonna wear it out of the house because I'm still living with my parents. I just don't know when I'm gonna wear this t-shirt, but look how cool it is. I got it from Amazon and I got it in an XL. I paid this much for it. I'll link it down below so you can get your own very own Hellfire Club t-shirt. Woohoo! Staying on that theme, I have, listen, if you were wondering if I am a simp for Joseph Quinn or Eddie Munson, you would be correct. He is the white boy of the month and I love him. So I got this tote bag from Etsy. This girl was selling these tote bags on Etsy and look how cool they are. It's Eddie Munson. Yay! I just thought it was really, really cute. It's a really good size. I paid this much for it. I loved it. What else did I buy? No, that was this month. Oh, I know. Okay, the last thing I got was, you might have noticed that I've got new ink on my arm. It goes all the way around like this. It's very cute. Do you want to see it up close? Woohoo! Very cool. So I got this tattoo goo aftercare kit and it looks like this. And it's got 3 things in it. It's got a antimicrobial soap, a tattoo care lotion and a tattoo balm, and they all come in this little box. This is how much I paid for it. I will link everything down below, so if you want to grab one yourself you can using the link down below. I don't get any money if you click the links down below. I don't get anything back from that, so if you did want to click those links then go ahead. It helps me in the algorithm, I guess. I don't know where the camera is. Is it there? For a perfectionist, I'm really struggling today with doing a good job. Let's sign off the video. How do I even sign off videos? If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Like this video. If you liked it and enjoyed it, then give it a like. It helps me out. Comment down below what your favourite thing that I bought was. What was your favourite thing you bought this month? Let me know. I want to know. I want to chat to you. I want to talk. Let's talk. I hope you have a wonderful day, week, month, year, whatever you are doing, and I will see you next time. Bye!